What's up, everybody? It's Barry Fisherman, and today I want to discuss about getting a cleared Govtech position. So, one of the biggest parts of getting the Govtech, of course, is getting your secret clearance, or top secret, or confidential, right? So, let me tell you my story. So, I used to work on aircraft carriers, and the particular position I had required me to have a secret clearance. So as soon as I was hired, immediately after, say about 2 months, um, they started the process of me getting my secret clearance. Eventually, I would say, you know, about 6 or 7 months of having a clearance, um, they were actually trying to move me to the original um, position I applied for. But me already knowing I was getting ready to go into tech, and that's what I really wanted to do, I immediately started applying for other positions. I eventually got into a different position as a uh, a office desk job where I didn't have to actually, be on the boat or aircraft carrier as much. And I was able to access the computer and be on my phone a little bit more so that I can pass my security plus. So after I had my security plus and my secret clearance, that's when I started applying for help desk positions. I eventually got my first help desk position after 3 weeks of having my security plus. So I would say that the biggest part of the process is getting your secret clearance. That's what takes a lot of time, right? And it's kind of hard to find jobs that will sponsor your clearance. So when you're doing your job search, trying to get a clear position, you're going to want to filter for ability to obtain clearance. There are jobs out there that will sponsor you to get your clearance, and after that, you'll be good to go. So with that being said, I would, if you can get another job like a security job or anything that's going to sponsor your clearance, I would do it. Knowing that you're going to pivot into tech, that'd be one thing checked off your list, So secret clearance, security plus, you're in there, you're good. Now you can focus on the next 3 to 4 years, progressing through the ranks and getting higher salaries and adding more skills, right? So that's my advice. Barry Fishman, I'm out.